how to fix feedback required. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix the feedback problem easily and fast on your Instagram. So all what you wanna do is very simple, so please don't worry because this video is gonna help you a lot. First thing you have to do is open the settings on your phone and then go to this apps manager option, and here search for Instagram and click on it. Now all what you want to do is go to the open by default option, click on open supported links in this app and choose always allow. Go back, click on the power usage details or the battery usage details, click on force stop, and now click on this force stop again and go to the storage, click on clear data and clear cache, and that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching the video.